all safe and well. Do you remember me?
And me.
And Wendy.
Yes, Wendy.
Lesley and Wendy from our exercise classes. We thought that you might be feeling ready to do a little bit more movement. So we've just been putting our heads together and thinking of a few exercises that you can do around the house to cover different parts of your body. And one of the things we thought of was when you're standing at the sink doing your washing up. So we've picked the sink because that's a nice solid thing to hang on to. And we thought we'd do a few leg exercises while we're standing at the sink. Is that all right with you,
That's
Wendy?
excellent. I want to know what to do when I'm standing at the sink.
So we're going to stand nice and tall with our feet hip width apart. Our knees nice and soft. Our shoulders down, tummies in. Looking at the suds in the water. We're going to lift one heel 8 times. Take it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Other foot. Here we go. Up, down, up, and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Lovely. Now remember your classes. We always held on really tight when we were lifting both heels. So hands on your sink, shoulders down, tummies in, and let's lift both heels. And lift and lower, and lift and lower. How are you doing?
I'm all right.
Are you feeling it in your calves
I
yet?
am. I'm feeling it. I'm breathing.
Yep.
And
down.
rolling up.
And up. And down. Let's do one more. And let's take a little breather. And rest. Roll those shoulders.
Ooh, yeah.
Have a little wiggle. Jolly good. Jolly good. Tapping those toes. All right. Tap, tap, toe. 8 times. Off you go. And
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And splash the suds on our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I reckon
5, 6.
we could march.
7, 8. We didn't get much cleaning done yet, though, Lesley. Not much cleaning done.
No. Yeah. Dishes are still dirty.
It's all right. This is more important.
Mind you don't bang your knees on the sink. Should we step and tap?
Yes.
Here we go. Step, tap, a step, tap, a step, tap. You can put your hands on your sink. You can wiggle your shoulders and give me a shimmy. How's your shimmy?
Oh, my shimmy's not great. I gotta turn it on more.
2 more. And let's take a breather. Lovely.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, let's have a little posture check. Lift those shoulders and pull them down. Hands on the sink, nice and soft. Bend those knees and let's have a little bit of a hip wiggle. Just gently taking those hips from side to side. You could wash a pan while you're doing this one. And round the other way.
That's it.
Lovely. Oh, okay, straighten those legs up. We're going to take the weight onto one leg. We're going to lift one leg at the side. Okay? If it don't feel right for you, don't do it. Should we have a little go?
Yes, let's shift.
Any leg. We'll do it 4 times on each leg. And lift and lower. And lift and lower. And lift and lower. And lift. Other leg. Here we go. And lift. And lower, and lift, and lower. 2 more, and lift, and lower. Last one, and lift, and rest. Oh, I can feel that.
Yeah, that really switches it all on. Getting strong, blood's flowing around.
Lift up on the legs while you're
That's
at it. Jolly good.
Ooh.
All right, we'll do a little bit now for the back of the legs. So keep your hands on the sink. Basically the same thing. Just lift your leg behind. Yeah, lovely. Okay, try and keep the leg fairly straight and just lift just off the floor and down. And again, lift and down. And lift and down. And lift. Other leg, here we go. Lift and down. You should be feeling the back of your legs working now. And down. 2 more. Up and down. Last one. donkey kick. Kick, down, kick, down, kick, down, kick, and change. Just make sure that there's nobody behind you when you do this one.
Or maybe you do want somebody behind you.
All right, let's have a little march out. Ooh, that's probably enough for one little session for the legs. Okay, so we're going to see you again. And
That was
we'll
excellent.
focus on a different part of the body, won't we?
Absolutely. We'll see you again very soon. Thank you, Lesley.
Okay, bye
Stay
guys.
safe, everyone. Bye.